my friends. How are you doing? This is Anthony Phillips Njoko, and today I will be showing you guys my watch list for crypto this week. It's just three pairs, and these are the three pairs on my watch list. As you can see my screen, the first one is Solana, the second is Doge, and the third is BNB. If you don't know, Solana, Doge, and BNB are part of the top 10 coins on the market cap. Over here, you can see BNB. It has a circulating supply of 166 million and a market cap of $107 billion. While Solana has a market cap of $71 billion and Doge has a market cap of $34 billion. So today, I want to show you my top-down analysis on the Solana, BNB, and Doge pair. So you can see Solana is on an uptrend channel, with this channel, the market has been respecting this lower channel line as a support and this higher channel line as a resistance, and it has been moving up gradually. So yesterday, the 12th of November, the market respected this uptrend channel and created a bullish candle, engulfing candle that engulfed on November 13th, it created a bullish engulfing candle that engulfed the November 12th candle. So today, which is November 14th, the market has shown us previously yesterday, which is November 13th, that it respected this support level. So we still resume this trend, and the market is also above the EMA 26 and the EMA 50 on the daily time frame, which means that buyers bought on the dip as market created this high at the 25 at $259.90 per price. It created a high and then it reversed down to the $215.23 price, and then buyers came in and brought the price back up. So right now we are on this uptrend channel, and if I go down to my lower time frame, the 1 minute, the 1 hour time frame, which is intraday time frame used for entries, we can see that it swiftly respected that uptrend line on the daily time frame, and currently our EMA 226 have crossed above the EMA 50 on the 1 hour. So right now we're anticipating for price to continue to rally up, and when it goes up to 259.90 and breaks above it, then we expect an all-time high to continue the rally to the upside to the point of 280. So right now, I think Solana is at a good spot to go for a buy. Aside from Solana, we have another pair called the Doge, but I would like to go into BNB first. Over here on BNB, I'll start with the top-down analysis on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see that BNB has been creating a massive upwards move. After this upwards move, just like Ethereum has been creating an upward move, it's created an all-time high at the price of $668.09, but it had to go in for a retracement on the November 10th. It went in for a retracement on November 10th, but back on November 11th, the buyers went back into the market and said, no, we don't want to push the market down, and it continued with a bullish candle. And currently on the November 12th, there was an indecision candle, and November 13th, there was a bullish candle too. So currently on November 14th, the market has broke a previous resistance point, which is the price of $635 $2, and it has closed above it on November 13th. So currently, right now, we got a retracement on the November 14th, giving us a better entry position here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to show you that for us to enter and make profit. So we'll be aiming for our TP1 at the 691.8 cents, and then TP2 at the expansion of 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is going to be above 681, is going to be 758.6 level. This is the TP2 for the BNB pair. And let's have it in mind that BNB is hosting a launch pad on their platform to help, is it Lazio? I think Lazio coin to, Poto coin to be listed. So whenever you want to claim Poto coin, which is currently $1 for one Poto coin, you have to buy BNB to be able to aim this Poto coin. So it's going to actually push the BNB price. It's occurred when the Lazio coin was also promoted. It occurred when the Lazio coin was also promoted. There was a lot of buy pressure on BNB, and then it increased from the $580 price to this $610 price because of the promotion of the Lazio coin. So I think the same thing is going to happen on the Poto coin promotion on the launch pad. So it's going to promote this coin to the 691.8. So if we close above 691.8, then we expect the coin to go above 757. So this is the top-down analysis of the BNB USDT coin. So currently I can see something like an impulsive and a retracement move. So if I take my Fibonacci on the 1 hour Fibonacci and take it to from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that it had the rejection of 0.382 Fibonacci level, creating an engulfing candle, creating a bullish candle, which we are expecting volume to be pumped in due to the help of the MACD, identifying that volume will be pumped in shortly, and then we'll be expecting the price to go up to the 671 price, $671.06 price, which is the expansion level, as TP1, TP2 at the 691.8 Fibonacci level, and TP3 at 757.7 level. So the last coin on our list is the Doge coin, and we are going to check the top-down analysis on the daily time frame first. Okay, wait, I have to check it over here. Let me check it over here. Doge. Okay. So Doge has had a very massive uptrend movement. If I draw this uptrend channel on the daily time frame, this is the uptrend channel it has been respecting. To make an adjustment. So this uptrend channel Doge has been respecting. So currently, Doge had an all-time high. Not an all-time high, sorry. It had a high price. It had a high price close to the 0.30 cents price. It had a price up to 0.30 cents price. And then it reversed and came down to the EMA 26, had a support and was pushed back up, creating a new price of the 29 cents price before it dropped down on the 10th of November back to the support level, the support line, which we have here, the uptrend support line. And then buyers came immediately and pushed the market back up to be held by the EMA 50 on the November 11th, because if it broke below the EMA 50, then we're expecting more, that bearish momentum. The bears are in control of the market, but this showed that the buyers went into the market and held the price above the EMA 50. Then on the November 12th, they had an institution candle showing that, hey, they don't really know how to push the market right now for the bears. So on November 13th, the bulls came into the market. So currently, the bulls are still in control. And today, November 14th, there was a massive spike this morning on Dodge. So what we anticipate for the Dodge right now is that we want it to break this high price, which is 0.31, sorry, 0.30 cents. And then when it breaks that, we'll be anticipating for a bigger push to 0.34 cents price. So that's it for the Dodge, because 0.34 is the all-time high price. That is the highest resistance above the 30 cents price. So that's what we have for that's what they have for the Dodge price. So today we got an entry on Dodge on the smaller time frame. You can see that we have a channel, but we broke that channel. And currently that spike happened today, and the channel was broken, broke it, and retested on it. After retested on it, then we're expecting price to what continue going up, because you can see that our EMA 26 has crossed above the EMA 50, and from this point we are expecting what more push up to the 0.30 cents, because November is an all-time high season. If you want to understand really what's going on this November 2021, you should go back to November 2017. Exactly the same price action, exactly the same returns has been duplicated. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you like this video. Share, subscribe, and drop your comments below. If you like videos like this, let me know by dropping your comments on the section on the comment section, and I will produce more videos like this. Do have a wonderful week trading and a profitable month.